Hello team, my name is Eduardo from Boss Motor, presenting a personal video for you for the 2010 BMW R1200RT. The kilometers is 47,288 and the price we're selling for 2,498 plus HST license. This motorcycle is available at this time and it's fully safety certified. This motorcycle comes with cruise control, heated grips, heated seat, ABS mode, and have the cruise control, power windshield, saddlebags, center stand, and they're ready to hit the road. If you have more questions, please give me a call. My phone number is 905-660-2901, extension 209. Thank you.